up top.
Good. Thank you.
I'm just trailing along behind a UP inspection truck here. Yeah, hopefully we get some more trails around. Amtrak Superliner. First time I've seen that in quite a darn while. An interesting accident we have over here. I don't know what the accident is yet, but...
Well, look at that car.
Look at that. Holy crap. Wow. Wow.
That's pretty bad. You don't see something like that. Wow.
I can't even tell what's the front and what's the back.
Wow. That's bad.
Man, that is real bad. Wow. He really must have hit it hard. Hopefully he'll make it. So here's how much traffic it's been. I'm pretty sure it's been at least over a mile. Look at this. Look at all these cars. All these poor people just wanting to travel, and they just have to wait for that bad accident. Oh boy, that was... Hey, it's been a while since I've seen one of those, and I just hope I never see it again. I hope it never happens to us, because this is pretty bad for everybody. But anyway, moving on. Come on, bring it down. First time got a caboose in a while. That's an ATSF caboose, I believe. Here we are at the best eatery in all of Illinois, Portillo's. Sure, we're gonna have trouble with that. The best Italian sandwiches and fries you could ever find. I would definitely recommend this to anybody who ever plans to visit Chicago.